Ang ganda ng mga ano, oh. Bulaklak, cherry blossom. Cherry blossom yan. Hindi pa kasi masyadong lumabas yung mga dahon, ay bulaklak. Kapagod. Bumalik ulit kami dito sa park kasi maaraw. Maaraw na mga guys, kaya todo park na naman ng mga bata. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda. White flowers. Cherry blossom din yan. Yung mga salita nila iba, parang baga pag taga Baguio. Meron rin silang ibang accent. Why their accent is very like that? It's like it's different.
From a different part of the country?
But they are English.
Yeah, but they're from a different part of the country.
Or even they are from England like that.
Yeah, but they're from Yorkshire.
Kaya pala iba yung accent nila eh.
Why do we get from
Baga parang sa Pilipinas, pag nasa Baguio ka, merong Igorot, merong Kankanangi, ganyan. Ang ganda ng ano. You go? Even they are from England like that?
I didn't know I could go
Be
that.
careful.
What the? Head is too high.
Too high. Oh, yeah. You're not even touching the... Really? Guys, naka na naman sila park. Ayan, naka-enjoy nila the Iris. Pero grabe pa din yung lamig mga kaibigan. Ayan, nilalamig ako. Nanginginig na yung kami ko. Park. Wow. Kahit maaraw siya pero mahangin kasi kaya ang lamig pa din. Kailangan ng ano, takbo-takbo para,
Ay, go there.
okay? Hello? Hello? Oh my God! Stupid! Stupid! Oh, I'm cold! Oh, grabe, nilalamig pa din ang aking katawan. Naligo naman ako kanina. Bakit nilalamig pa ako?
Just too shy.
Sister, I'll spin you. Go on then, you sit your sister. Go on, sister, jump on.
Hi, Harry.
Sana ganyan na lang ang araw, oh. Ay, hindi na siya makatatabunan ng ano, ng clouds kasi malamig masyado. Ako'y nanginginig sa lamig. I'm cold. Yan ang kabuuan ng park na pinuntahan.
That was scary.